Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2018 ZB Commodore. It's a Calais Tour Wagon V6 auto all-wheel drive. Just come around here, you'll see it's got a bit of a whack down the side. There it is there. It's all drive. See the door open. There we go. It's done, I think it was 36,000 kilometres. We'll start her up. Uh, 38,611. It's got sat nav. The airbags haven't gone off at all. Very clean car. So that's Calais. Walk around here. It's got a good tailgate. Subwoofer, spare wheel, jack and tool kit, tow bar, good left hand doors, compliance plate down here. Got a good headlight. I think the bont's okay, I've got to check that out, it looks okay. Try and get the sat nav up. Where is it? There we go. That's where we are. Number 1 in Graham Hill Road, Narellan. Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on the number on the wall, 0246461733. If you need some ZB Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter, passenger, commercial and four-wheel drive, we do it all. Okay, I'll move on to the next one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.